Welcome to the JDisc Discovery video channel. My name is Robbie, and today we talk about how to simplify your Windows 11 migration. Are you planning your migration to Windows 11? Then you know how time-consuming and error-prone it can be to check every single laptop for compatibility. That's where our new Windows 11 Compatibility Checker comes in. Our tool automatically scans your network and evaluates whether each device meets the critical hardware requirements for Windows 11, including TPM version, secure boot capability, CPU generation, RAM size, and more. No more manual checks, no more spreadsheets, just clear, actionable insights. With the Windows 11 Migration Checker, you'll save countless hours and avoid unnecessary upgrades by identifying which devices are ready and which aren't. Streamline your migration, reduce costs, and ensure a smooth transition to Windows 11. Now let's look at the actual prerequisites. There are some prerequisites that are needed to install or upgrade to Windows 11. The first one is processor compatibility. The CPU must be a 64-bit processor with at least 1 GHz and 2 or more cores, and it must be on Microsoft's approved list. This includes many Intel 8th Gen and AMD Ryzen 2000 series or newer chips. Devices require at least 4 GB of RAM. Systems with less will be flagged as incompatible. Windows 11 needs a minimum of 64 GB of storage on the system drive. The report checks whether the system meets this criterion. Legacy BIOS is no longer supported. Systems must use UEFI firmware, which allows features like Secure Boot. Trusted Platform Module 2.0 is a hard requirement for Windows 11. JDisc checks for TPM presence and its version using system-level queries. The GPU must support DirectX 12 or later with a WDDM 2.0 driver. This ensures support for the new graphical user interface and display stack. JDisc Discovery already captures much of the information needed to assess Windows 11 compatibility. However, certain details like the DirectX version and WDDM driver support were previously missing. We've recently addressed this by adding those data points to our discovery capabilities. Now, we're excited to introduce our brand new Windows 11 compatibility report. You'll find it under the Devices section in the dashboard. In my case, my laptop, already running Windows 11, naturally meets all the requirements. The report includes a column indicating the overall compatibility status for each device. To the right, you'll see detailed information for each individual requirement, along with whether or not the device meets it. When evaluating compatibility with Windows 11, each requirement can fall into one of the following categories. Okay, the requirement is fully met by the device. Incompatible, the requirement is definitely not met. Probably yes, the requirement is likely fulfilled, but we can't say with 100% certainty. Don't know, there isn't enough information available to determine whether the requirement is met. Thank you for watching this video, and give us a thumbs up if you liked it. Get our software from your download page and find more videos on our YouTube channels. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter and LinkedIn.